as our previous special guest did advise the student, saying, practice mathematics, practice, there is no other solution. My maths teacher used to tell me, mathematics is learned by practice, otherwise nil. Otherwise, what did I say? Otherwise, nil. A very good morning to all of you. Of course, due to the time constraint, we have kept all of you waiting. We deeply apologize for that. First of all, I must congratulate the committee for organizing this kind of very meaningful as well as fruitful event, because I consider education as the only solution for all problems, for all development, or for all human desire to achieve. Once again, congratulations, and I wish all the committee the best to happen in future to come as well. I must also congratulate the judges. I could read program officials, students, teachers, all who have come and spared your time to be in the event so as to gain something meaningful and to do something in life. My dear friends, the future belongs to you. I am already 50 plus. I want to do so many things in mind. I want to be a football player, star. I want to be a singer, and so on and so forth. But my spirit may be very high, but my body is already weak. That is how life is all about. So when you are energetic, when you are capable, don't lose the chance. Go for it. Venture it. Go and experience, because I say experience is the greatest teacher. Experience is the greatest teacher. You learn from experiences. Failure itself is also an experience. Experience itself is a knowledge. These things should be kept clear in mind. So, be dare to do. Be daring. Don't lose hope, whatever it is. See, generally, I just want to share some few thoughts which may not be very relevant to the event per se. However, it will have some link to the society. The senior people over here might have heard the song, I Have a Dream by ABBA. It used to be very, very popular. And when we were young, we used to sing, but when I recollect all those lyrics were grammatically English also wrong. However, that tune is still lingering in the mind. That is why, as an individual, even me, I have my hope for my society. I want my society to live like this. Some thoughts that came into my mind while I was just taking some peaceful rest. So I want to see my people, my place. We have had enough of grumblings and complaints, backbiting, whatever. Ill things said against each other. But that is not going to solve the problem. Certain things we have to adopt. Certain things we have to involve. Otherwise, we will head nowhere. So I have some few dreams which I want to share. I want a society whose economy is vibrant, robust, and self-reliant. We have the tendency of simply copying what is being done in other parts of the world without understanding the local market. And many have faced disastrous ending, which I don't want them to repeat, because many of them must be hard-earned investment. So I want vibrant, robust, and self-reliant, means locally suitable economic growth. Because Karl Marx have clearly said in his statement, history of all hitherto existing society has been a history of class struggle. Class is nothing but economic categorization of human population. So in order to build this economy, we have to understand our weaknesses and strengths, where we are strong and where we are weak. You know, looking at our economy, we cannot expect to have very bombastic slogan of developing economy through a system that is prevalent in most of the plain areas. So we are hilly terrain with low capacity, low carrying capacity. However, we are blessed with very, very rich agroclimatic conditions for horticulture. Likewise, our human population, for example, our culture is very, very suitable to some industries like hospitality. So we have to identify this. Therefore, in order to firstly improve our economy, we have to adopt what is known as cooperative marketing. Iram noping hi ka thakla chikaba achana achang thum sa de yor khuinga ge chen amanji cha da me yor khuirar thu jila ina imang yor khuinga da porana aga sam phung go winger tong phung go imphal ta la ka phara we aman lam mo ung kuman na ba koi phak cha we aman lam mo ung da chi da da patana son gai de ji ji mutli wa cooperative marketing no will e will ka tong chang la ga society cooperative society ak sem la ta yor ka hi ithum economy hi sustain sa gi dila amul ma sairen thum in mitra gli hangare hi kharjan hi ba i wa ming thali khai ne ru ba amul gi hi anand milk union limited gi ko ngla no bi na thum la amul chocolate sam mangai de le valentines day li minim la ka amul khigla gi mam chu gi ngai rgla na thum Anand Milk Union Limited, the cooperative society Gujarat li ni I achakum IAM Ahmedabad li ili lecture aka deliver sa khawai bang hod if jili banda in I wangai jena sir nu bang hi hui nau rai kajba vanang thorthak flight ni jidai da I mabarar thu chine kha thanga mathang ka I pa chawra muslim na makka li wangai ta da versin Bethlehem li wangai ta da il ba chawra jili aksida ba eng kungai da kleni like that is to achieve what is known as economy of scale hoy wo jili economy of scale now chena ithum youth ping hi kaya ka migrate chat le yearly od akachang sa chat kam sa chat kala chi ithum ba na ase sang rok sher dakhle ne many are in unorganized sectors and being lowly paid. Chipachi ithumwi youthful population bachi mashman khwachi sage jineji. Therefore, the second approach will be skilling the youth as per the market requirement of the contemporary situation. Skills are atum skills hai laga ayarli kaso korno laga atum economy chi remittance economy atum na chiho khungji atum na chiho ungda ini hi violent ke ka phungre tangli puri sai khai minim nei ka we have to invest them basically sar ka we have to promote certain economic activities like tourism ecotourism chili homestay tha hi tum hi itumli chuna lak tak le ni hi we hi sara kha itum pa na adang breakfast sali hotel ba chin hang jin ji itum we ba market la ka si e tai chi yo economy li cash flow le la circulate ma sa laga kajba yêu le lupa sa mang jang de ka thai le thai talap le sai ngai nimla in a restaurant le ba chai ka ba talap mu pai le gi ji khani ni ji fulfill sa ba wang e aman ka pai chi phau gi la ru because gratification is the essence of khikatla se economic decision de la chi thai ka ba hili myang na pam dak le puri lupa thrau ba ji li chang khain no ko tho bo hor chakau tala pu aman la ka pai ho la ko phaisa la ka tyo ko tai fu ta ko I restaurant chu sar ga I we myang ba we puri hotel ba chi su sar ga so economics is nothing making a decision in the midst of scarcity itumi economy hi ba jong in hang itumi economy hi ba a society with an economy without economics repeat sake a society with an economy without economics chi akhla apply massage ni chena remittance economy horticulture cooperative hita the size ba ithum chikthar lan kasing pongji kasing apongli ngi pai ka ba quality education sam mangnaura because even quality comes with price Nathum no ayali or in fact thali ta thai khain the showroom aman ma sak memla branded chi because quality is better the quality better jika ithum ukrule akna hang jika quality education social organization ka tamna we organization jika quality education khili quality hokla jika ba mathei lui quality education will come with MRP iwe society hi I want informed harmonious society ngam sai la ka chang no confidence motion mangai na mok thing sangai ji li long ka jida atam ka jida ka chang ka thum ti sa gar mai de ma ka sa ji maning ka no confidence mang long no ping jang I want my society a society where education meets knowledge jang education he means proper knowledge lagay na hangge educated person jang lari ke them now hi thang met machang akha GP aga ka phra tha ko lari ke them now hi thang met machang akha GP on gai ni ji because without wisdom, being educated is equivalent to producing another Satan. Society li. Chiwi rot khamrat ne si tangkhului. Katong BMA mo. But there is lack of wisdom. Lack of wisdom. Chana knowledge and wisdom, education hi ko thum hing heo khyang taran li ki klat ba. Education is for acquiring knowledge. Knowledge when applied practically it becomes wisdom. Iwe on dictionary and tu shem ji go in yo. Tangkhul tu manat sang lo. ishiwui na Korea we simply kimchi ke shem kha ne we la ashiwui menu ne kha ina English si Tangkhul we and mix a khoi la ga ni we dictionary ling te te mi sala pai kha this is my understanding itum society culture tira kya ka matu itum mingasan itum hi ka ita da culture jinna malau sang laka hamak na hili tatu na sang laka kache sing laka kamohon jin culture la that is just simply a microscopic component of what is culture no we achamaram ache re machang thula culture jili culture hili hi changla kuyo laga ithum mili chaksi de lamam chu khai mane ran ili cha kam lung ma wat nga yi mane se ke ba ili ba me fu ga tha me won ga tha mang na sam chi thau mo sa sa ping chin na cha in a phring khuyak le chil isi society hi theology bible hi weaponize sai la mo de jang bible rai na sam chit pam dak le de mili sam chit pam dak le jang I jim sang sa ngai m khoyo Arriva informed society ne mi tong na pate khai ne in a chia hang la na thum thai sha khai ne mang na ngai lium re you are more aware than me however if we thought it the exchange has it we should be spiritual amidst secular behavior itum hi fanatic ma sa pai mre ishiwui chi the de le na Kay tum society lik problem cha ka khutong leisalala hi ka da solve sao sikla da khamjuk tharan le ni tra khna hi ne da hangra sara kha solution ba hi ba only self enlightening iklat na klat da thek kui chi ka ji wen ra khla chi ka ba in ngarabing education jang lari katam hi future wuivang no we song fu shem de kleni future wuivang na we position shem de kleni you become a resourceful person only when there is utility in you resources are not they become dakhle de ot katong mi katong bang resource maning jidlo isavuli in a laptop ak lo mi ka aw bang kan khana le la keypad lo mi khamja hiya complain sabam tele no we jiwa khangnai tha da khai tu khui da manam bai mane de now nali society na you become resourceful person and to become a resourceful person you must be educated kha education kamatha education sambang ri ka ila ari bible lungau ge proverbs kapi ga sang 1:7 ngani la kha in them rek la ga ne iwi steady table li kapi ai sa ji the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Chi chakshya ga ba design ngate da naplu ji ko chi chang ji ba I kityo kas sia sa sai masa te sala now the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom ka chi tharan li na hi ka da phap taw klo hiwi ka khalat wajang sang the elaborate masala humility is the beginning of wisdom ko humility no really langa so chang chau khangai them khrek changai kan kalli kalma tam khui thamra first you have to discipline yourself tam kuidele tam Nathum kung fu cinema me ngai re Jackie Chan long khik long ji Shaolin ka thau ji athum ka tam ji kya chot complain sala char ta la mi te te no ji chap su suen la complain sala tam de because only those people becomes successful perseverance humility in a sathe tam chuk re ka ba ko phai re ko in our rapping no future leaking the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom gaji hi li khangni itum ban no development da mi ka tong na malung ka chala ka ning jang nge jang development hi somfu kam tha khamin namram re sim kam tha khamin namram re infrastructure kam tha khamin namram re as long as people are not willing to change their mentality anyway attitude mang che rang lakha development he will expect masalu song fu mam tham ne oi ta hi thai chi anyway civic sense ak lam chang laga ba development meaningful development hi mien khra ni wo o tai khra mani mni mien khra ne therefore we need to change our attitude outlook towards positive development hi tarkar sai mental attitude ba hi tarkar sai now moi thui da oja ping la rad le hili avu wa ping kai khawa ari hon social media adam da kai khana wa video recording la sa lyu hai te le re chen khamu tu ari thring lage we are living in a glass house in a thum sa da room lung ni sa da le da phaning la pai ko athum yang sang le ko tong ka thei tha da jang ari wa social media adam na thei share da le ra ina now mai thui da hang hai ba wa avu wa ping oja ping na thum li when you educate your child you are not educating only your children but you are educating your society you are educating your society Tangkhul nauli kathem thangkamai aka kachang ji ka tongwi lan maning la ji ka avu wa ji pa si mangwi khlai awi kathem thangkamai je na yuru wang ma ka nam la therefore avu wa ping oja ping ithum sai kor hi education hi iwi responsibility and it is my part of contribution towards building a better society kajipa hi mamlai se ningshiya so thank you